Welcome to the playbook on how you're going to turn leads into sales conversations 24/7. This cutting edge technology is going to allow you to make more money and dominate your competition locally to ensure that you make the most impact, because frankly, that's all we want. More customers, more sales, more profit, without having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on extremely expensive marketing techniques. This is going to be the fastest way for you to grow your business at the most cost-effective model. So let's dive in and we'll talk about how this works. Because ultimately there's a huge problem. We just can't work this 24/7. You've got a lot of other things on your plate. But what if we can have an AI-powered sales assistant work for you? Welcome to the 21st century. We can make money online through effective technology. And before you think, oh, I'm not good with technology, it's going to be too hard to implement, we do all the setup for you. We train your AI bot and it's very, very easy to use. If you can open up an app on your phone, you can make money with this, and it's going to be so effective for your business. Our AI web chat solution is exactly what your business needs to grow and scale, even when you're offline or on vacation or even online. We're going to help you through a website widget, allowing you to be available around the clock 24/7 for your leads. We're going to engage with your customers, capture their contact information, and make more sales conversations. You'll see here, you're going to get your name, you're going to get their phone number, and there's an ability for you to text them back and forth directly on this app or on a website that either you can pick up or your team can pick up. But the coolest part is, it's actually AI that will do most of the work for you. Our AI is easily trained on any FAQs or commonly asked questions about your business, so you can make sure that you feel confident that the AI bot is speaking the right lingo to your potential customers. We also have a text product that allows your clients and prospects to communicate with you easily on the app at any point, 24/7, wherever they're messaging you from. And this allows you to always be readily available for your projects. I wanted to dive into some of the key bonus features of our application that's going to help you win, because that's really what it comes down to. We're going to talk about getting more reviews, AI review replies, bringing back more repeat customers, and texting your missed calls. There's even a way to make money from this. Now let's talk about bonus number one, which is ranking higher on Google. It is so incredibly critical to ensure that you have the most amount of successful reviews on Google, because it gains trust from your prospects. Think about it for yourself. Anytime you're going to consider business online, you're always going to go look at the reviews. If you're not responding to the reviews though, Google is going to punish you, and the great thing about our app is that it automatically responds to positive reviews to help you gain more actual ranking from Google, so you rank higher, beat out your competitors, and get more people to come work with you. This is an incredible product. I'm so excited to implement it for you. Bonus two is getting more peak customers. One of the most common misconceptions is the idea that your clients are only going to spread word of mouth. Eventually, they won't be speaking about your business. If you can help stay top of mind through text and email automations for birthday campaigns, for offers, for promos, discounts, events, you're going to not only re-engage past customers and stay on top of mind, but they're probably going to bring their friends as well. And that is hugely beneficial to grow the lifetime value of your customers and making more money. What if I told you that you could also make money from miscommunications? Here's the thing. Anytime you miss a call from a prospect, the likelihood is that they're going to call your direct competitor and go work with them. But you can turn missed calls into sales conversations by having an automation that sends something like, hey, sorry we missed your call. We're going to get back to you right away. Feel free to text us here and we'll answer any questions you have. This allows you to know who is calling you and how you can get back in touch with them, where you can either call or let AI do all the work for you. There are thousands and thousands of dollars being left on the table weekly and monthly where we're missing calls, and this tool is going to help you make more money. You really need this implemented for your business. Now, if you're ready to get started, you can sign up right here on this page. We're going to do all the setup for you again. Even if tech is something that's so overwhelming for you, it's super easy to do. And again, does not cost you thousands. And then we're going to enjoy the fruits of your labor, or the reality is we're going to enjoy the fruits of the labor of AI and technology. It's time to put your business into action and ensure that you're using the most cutting edge technology for your marketing to make sure you're winning. So let's recap. Here's the roadmap. We're going to be able to capture leads 24/7 with AI web chat, where we're going to have a simple button on your website. This is going to create an incredible experience for your prospects. We're going to rank higher on Google with our reviews AI community. We're going to ensure that your website gets as much traffic as possible with our new groundbreaking cutting edge SEO tool. Campaigns to ensure that more people trust you and start working with you. We're going to re-engage your customers with text and email campaigns to ensure you stay top of mind and they keep coming back and are recommending friends to come back. And you're even going to make money from your missed calls by having automated text messages to turn missed calls into sales conversations. What this ultimately means is more customers, more sales, more profits, more impact for your business. Again, without having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on marketing. This is a no-brainer investment. Either join us below or you can book a demo with us so we can talk about it specifically. Now, if you're ready to get started, we want to give you fast action savings to beat your competition. If you sign up for a year today, we're going to give you a special discount of $1,000 to make it a $19.97 total investment. That's on average $167 a month with zero setup fees. Consider this. What other marketing solution is available for you for less than $200 a month? Every single person reaching out to you in the industry right now is offering you something that's likely $2,000 or $3,000 per month. We're offering you something at $167 a month on average. We will do all the setup with you to make sure that it's easily usable for you and your team. We have 24/7 live chat support. You and your team can communicate with us anytime about any issues or tech problems you have. And to make it a no-brainer for you, 100% 30 days money-back guarantee, so you feel comfortable and confident with your investment. We know you're gonna see the best proof of value with this right away, and it's gonna be a no-brainer. So if you're ready, sign up below and we'll see you on the inside. Let's go make more money, more impact, and create more opportunity for everyone. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.